How to change Instagram video thumbnail after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change your video thumbnail of Instagram Reels. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram and then simply head over to your profile. Now, if you want to change a video preview of any reels that you have posted, then the first thing you do is tap on the reel. So for example, if I just want to change the preview of this video, just tap on adjust preview and you can crop it to the side if you want and adjust how it's going to look on your grid. Now this is the first method. Now just tap on done. But if you want to completely change the cover image of this profile preview, as you can see, it is right now this car. But if you want to change it, just tap on the three lines and then tap on edit. Now you're just going to simply tap on the edit button on the video. And here you have an option to choose profile image from the video itself. Or if you want to add it from your camera roll, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to add in another picture from my camera roll and then simply add this picture. Now this will be my profile preview. Now just tap on done again, and then your thumbnail will be now changed. So if I go back to my profile, as you can see this video, the thumbnail has been changed. The video is still the same, only the thumbnail has been changed. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next one.